So, based on the question sent to me, we're going to record the menu. We're going to be sending the recording on the group because I want us to actually maximize the time. So, the first question you sent here, I have question one here, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So, question one here says, find all the factors of 100, right? Am I right? Find all the. Oh, you have
Factors
that
of
question.
100.
Oh, you have that question with you, right?
Yes.
Of 100. Okay. Okay. So, there is one use system I usually use. Oluwalunimi. Uh I called it paired method. I call it
Okay, sir.
paired method. Okay, so what do I mean paired method? They say you should write out all the factors of 100. Now, if you don't use this paired method, it is possible you skip out some factors. It is possible. So this is how I do it. So I make use of numbers number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and in that series. So I start with 1. Since I'm looking for the factors of 100, so I start with 1. Okay. So 1 will go in every number, isn't it?
Yes.
So how many times does 1 go in 100?
100.
100 times. That's good. So the next number after 1 is 2, isn't it? So you ask yourself, does 2 go in 100?
Yes.
Okay. So since it goes, you write it. If it doesn't go, you don't write it. Okay. So since you say 2 goes,
Yes.
how many times does it go?
We, it goes 50 times.
That's good. 50 times. So after 2 is 3. So I want to try 3. The 3 goes in 100.
You cannot go in 100, sir.
So you skip 3. You don't use 3, right?
Yes, sir.
So now the next number is 4. Does 4 go in 100?
Yes, sir.
How many times?
100.
If you divide 100 into 4.
Um, um, how come,
Okay.
sir?
Okay. Daddy gave you 100 naira. Like, daddy gave you 100 naira. Tom, daddy said you should share it between. Okay, let's assume daddy said you should share 100 naira with mommy, you, fullness, and meekness. 4 of you. And you have to share it equally.
Yes.
No mommy, no elder brother. You have to share that 100 naira equally. Okay. So how much each of you are going to
Yes.
get? How much will go for each of you?
For the both of us,
Each of you, each of you.
teacher.
Yes, out of 100 naira. How much will go for each of you equally?
So come.
Okay.
Hmm. It and divided by 100 divided by 4. Divided by 4. 4.
Yeah, enemy, you have to be first. Still have a long way to go. Hold on, me. 100 divided
Sir?
100 divided by 4 is 25. You are not fast enough.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Is 4, is 25. So the next number after 4 is what?
5.
5. So we use 5. Okay. So actually, does 5 go in 100? Does it go in 100?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. How many times?
600. 20 times.
That's lovely, 20 times. So after 5 is 6. Does 6 go in 100?
No.
Okay. After 6 is 7. Does 7 go in 100?
What's the bẹ̀rẹ̀?
Pastor, you're
Find all
welcome.
the factors.
No.
Sorry, sir. Ẹ wo ó ga lénìí.
You're welcome, ma.
Laptop ẹ ṣì ń rí paróòlì lọ́wọ́.
Yeah.
Àbí táàbù yẹn.
Yeah.
Mo ṣe ní.
No wala. Okay, so they can join now, okay? I think they can
We
also
are
learn
here.
from they can also learn from the class. So we are looking for all factors of 100, okay? Felix, Israel, and Divine. So this is JSS2 work. I mean the JSS2 test correction. We are looking for all the factors of 100. And I say we are using the paired method. Okay, what do I mean by paired method? So paired method means that we're going to be starting with 1 and we'll be dividing sequentially. Okay, let me quickly rub this off so that you can understand. So we want to use paired method to look for all the factors of 100. Now the reason is that if you don't use that paired method, you are most likely going to skip some of your factors. And the question is saying all. So the only way to do that all is to use that paired method. So you start with 1. 1 is the factor of all numbers. Any number, 1 is a factor of it. So how many times does 1 go into 100? Felix, Israel, I want our responses. Okay.
100.
Sorry, what do you say?
Ẹ máa sọ̀rọ̀ kọ́ máa gbọ́ yín.
100 times.
100 times. 100 times, okay?
100 times.
So the next number after 1 is 2, isn't it? I believe you can see my screen very well. The network of your house is keeping.
Yes, sir.
Pastor, I want to be seeing their faces. Is your own
Is
face?
it us, Abi?
Is
Our
your own
network
face?
is poor.
Yes, it's somehow poor. I want to be seeing their faces, ma. It's your own face I'm seeing. Sorry, ma. I want to be seeing them. Okay.
Abẹ́bí tá a wà reflection iná là ń lò.
Okay. So after 1 is 2, right? So you ask yourself, does 2 go in 100? Wow, you're even inside the church. Does 2 divide 100? I'm asking us.
Yes, sir. 2 can divide 100, sir.
2 can divide 100. How many times?
No. 50.
50 times. I want us to speak and speak boldly, guys. Okay, I want us to speak and speak boldly. Don't worry if you're wrong. If you are wrong, we'll be corrected. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I love the way you guys are very close to the device. Okay, I love it that way. Divine, you're welcome. Israel, you're welcome. Oluwalonimi is also with us on the group. I mean, on the lesson. So after 2 is 3. Does 3 go in 100? Does 3 divide 100?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So we don't use 3, right? We go straight to 4.
Yes, sir.
Does 4 divide 100?
Yes, sir.
How many times?
25.
25 times, right?
25 times.
25 times, sir.
So after 5 is 4. I mean, after 4 is 5.
Yes.
So does 5 divide 100?
Yes, sir.
How many times?
30 times.
20.
20 times. Okay. So after 5 is 6. Can we use 6?
No.
We can use 6.
No, sir.
6 does not divide 100. So after 6 is 7. Can we use 7?
We can't use this.
We can use 6.
Yes.
Can we use
Yes,
7?
sir. No. No, sir.
Can we use 8?
No, sir.
No. No, sir.
Can we use 9?
No, sir.
No.
What about 10?
No. No,
Yes.
sir.
Hmm?
Yes, sir.
All right. So 10
Can
divides
you
into
divide 100 now?
yeah, 10 divides 100. Their network is slow. Their network is slow. So it's not when you are hearing it, they are hearing it. So
10.
they will sorry, Oluwalonimi. It's not the same. It's not reaching you, it's reaching them. So it's networking you. So 10 divides 100. How many times?
10 times.
10 times. All right.
10
So
times.
now we are with this now, we can go further. Why? Because you have 10 here and you already have 10 here. Okay, with this we can go further. So if you want to attempt making any other number, it means that what you have here, you also be having it there. So what do? Now you pick it in this direction. Okay, you pick it 1 towards 10, and you pick it again 20 towards 100. So you start with 1. 1 is a factor. Sorry. So you start with 1. Sorry, let me scroll up. So we are writing out all the factors of 100. So we'll start with 1. Then next is 2, isn't it? Next is 4.
Yes.
Yes. 4.
Next is 5.
5.
Yes.
10.
Next is 12.
10.
So we don't have to repeat this 10, okay? So we just go to 20 straight.
Yes.
20.
Go to 25.
5.
We'll go to 50.
50.
And we'll go to 100. So with these are all the factors of 100. Okay? So if you are
Yes,
looking
sir.
for if they are looking
Yes,
for
sir.
ways of getting all the factors of a number, you use that paired method. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Do you
Yes,
understand
sir.
that?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
this is 1AI. Now we have 1AII. Okay? So 1AII says express 4,200 as a product of
Okay.
prime factors. Oluwalonimi, hope that question is correct.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You know, it's your question. We have to be careful about it. So, since we are correct, can we just move ahead? Sorry, my phone is ringing. So sorry, guys.
Mami follows.
Ẹ má bínú, alarm ló ring o. Okay, so we want to express 4,200 as a product of prime factors. Okay, so what do? I think we've done something like this before, but let's do it again. Now, you're going to be writing 4,200, probably making use of a long division like this. So before you start your division, you write out prime numbers. Okay? Are you guys still with me?
Okay, sir.
Oluwalonimi, I'm still with you, but it's like network has made me lose these guys, or this Pastor Favors guys. Oluwalonimi, let's just continue, okay? Let's continue. Then we have the recorded version. So now you will have to write out prime numbers, okay? So what are prime numbers, Oluwalonimi? What are prime numbers?
Prime numbers are numbers that can be divided by 2.
No, that's wrong. That's even number. You just describe or you just explain even number. Okay, prime numbers are numbers that can only be divided by 1 and themselves. It is only 1 and themselves that can divide them. So, take for
Okay,
example,
sir.
2. 2 can only be divided by 1 and itself. Because the number can only divide 2,
Yes.
except 1 and itself. Another number is 3. Okay. 3 can only be divided by itself and 1. No any other number. The next number is 5. 4 can be divided by 2.
Yes.
So 4 is not a prime number. So you skip 4. Then you go to 5. 5 can be divided by 1 and itself only. Or is there any other
Next
number?
is 7.
The next is 7. Okay. Next.
9. No, 9. That can be divided.
3 can divide 9. So 9 is not a prime number. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
11. Okay. All right, guys, you're welcome back. Unmute yourself. We are listing out numbers of. We are listing out prime numbers. Okay, that I want to use to divide 4,200. So 11. Oluwalonimi, what's the next number? 13.
Yeah, 13. Yes.
Okay.
17.
17. You have 19 and so on and so forth. So
19.
let's stop there. Let's stop there.
19.
So we're going to be picking these numbers. Okay. So any of them starting from the list. So we are going to be starting with 2. Does 2 divide 2,400? Does it?
Yes.
How many times? That's going to be 2,100.
2,100.
So we are still going to be using 2, isn't it?
Yes.
So how many times does it divide? That should be 1,050.
1,000. Yes.
It divides 2,000 1,000 times. It divides 150 times. Okay. So does 2 still
Yes.
divide?
Yes.
Yes, it does.
Yes.
So this 1,050, it should divide to 525 times. It's divide 1,500 times. It divides 50 25 times. Do you get that?
Yes, sir.
That's how to do some fast division. 2 divide 1,500 times. Then the 50 on it is 25 times. So that's 525. So what's the next number now? 2 does not divide again, isn't it? Nimi? Oluwalonimi? Oh, Oluwalonimi, I must not lose you.
Yes.
Okay. 2 doesn't divide again. So what is the next number that
3
divides?
does.
3 does. I
Sir?
love that. I love that. 3 does.
2.
Yeah, 3 does. So now let's do the division. 3 and 5, that's 1. We are left
1.
with 2. 3 and 22.
7.
7. That's good.
7 remains.
Remainder
7
1.
remains. 1.
3 and 15.
Yes. 3 and 15. 5.
5. Okay. So we are done with that. So any other number? Can we still try 3? Does 3 still go? I think no. 3 doesn't. 3 doesn't again. So
No.
we use 5. Okay. 5 and 17. How many times?
5. 7.
That 2, sir. 3 remainder 2.
5 and 17 is what?
3 remainder 2.
So that's 3.
Remainder 2.
Remaining 2. 5 and 25.
5 remainder
5.
5. So we go on again with 5. 5 and 35.
7.
7.
No,
Okay.
give us.
So the next number we are using here is going to be
So that's
7.
7.
Okay. So here we have 1. Because 7 is here. Please, any number that is not among this prime number, you are not permitted to use it here on this column.
Okay, sir.
Any number that is not a prime number, because they said you should make it expressed as a product of prime factor. So you can use 4 here. You can use 9 here. Here. Sorry. You can't use any number here that is not a prime number. You can't. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, so now expressing it, that means that
Yes.
4,000, okay, 4,200 will now be equal to what? Will now be equal to 2 times 2 times 2. How many times do we have 2? We have 2 3 times. Then times
2,
3
2 times 2 times 2,
times 5 times
3
5
times 3
times 7
times 5 times 5 times 7.
times 7. So that's our answer, okay? I believe that is understood.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so with that done, sorry, but so people, guys, I hope you guys are still with me.
Yes, sir.
All right, all
Why
right.
you?
So we'll move on to 1B. Is that yes? 1BI. No, let me change my ink. So we'll move on to 1B high. Okay. Okay, so let's scroll up. So the question there says find the HCF of 36 and 81. Find the HCF of 36 and
Yes, sir.
81. Okay.
Yes.
What do we do?
Yes, sir, for
We rule.
36 and 81.
So just like the prime numbers that we used the other time, okay? That's the same thing we're going to be using here. But in HCF, the difference between LCM and HCF is that you only use the number that is common to the two. You don't use any number. Now, I didn't mean it's LCM you are looking for. I didn't mean that it's LCM you are looking for. You can use 2 here. You can use 2 to divide. But in HCF, you can use 2. Why? Because 2 does not divide 36 and 81. Nimi, do you get that?
Yes, sir.
You only use the number that is a common factor to 36 and 81. If the number does not divide 36 and 81, you cannot use it. So, Nimi, what do you think is the number that divides 36 and 81? What's the number that you know that divides 36 and 81?
36 and 81.
Mhm. Actually, 3 is a number that divides 36 and 81.
Yeah.
3 divides 36 how many times? How many times does 36? How many times does 3 divide 36?
13,
No, it's 12. It's 12.
12.
So it divides into 1 how many times? 3 in 8. That's true. Remaining 1. I mean,
Yes.
is it 1? No, it remains 2. 3 in 21, that's 7. Okay? So you are left with 12 and 7. So you are still going to be looking for a number that can divide 12 and 27. Not the one that can only divide 12 or that can only divide 27. It must divide 12 and 27. That's HCF. I didn't mean it's LCM. Once you get a number that can divide any of them, you are good to go. Do you get what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Until everything you divide until everything becomes 111. That's LCM. But in HCF, nothing is becoming 111. It must be a common factor. So we are still using 3 because 3 divides 12 4 times and 3 divides 27 9 times. Okay? So, Nimi,
Yes, sir. Sir?
is there any number that is any common factor of 4 and 9? Do you know any? So, since there is no any other factor that can divide 4 and 9, that means you're going to be stopping here. You won't end it in 111. Do you understand? That's LCM. You do 111, break it down to 111 in LCM, but in HCF, no. So the HCF is equal to what? 3 multiplied by 3. Okay? So 3 multiplied by 3 is what?
9.
Is 9. So your answer is 9. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Is that understood?
Sir, what is...
But
Yes, sir. But how they did it here is different, sir.
how
The digit in our own is different, but it's the same answer we still get.
Okay. You know, it's highest common factor that they ask, isn't it?
Yes.
36 and 81. Oh, we have the next 10 minutes. That's the next 10 minutes. Now, if I should use the pair factor system, for 36, I will have 1 and 36. 2 goes in 36, it goes in 18 times. Okay. 3 goes in 36, it goes in 12 times. 4 goes, it goes in 9 times. And 6 goes, it goes in 6 times. Okay. So if I'm to write out the factors of 36, I'll be having 1, 2, 3, like I did the other time, 4, 6, then I'll go up again, 9, 12, 18, and 36. Do you understand what I just did? Nimi?
Yes, sir.
Nimi, do you understand what I just did? Hello,
Yes,
Nimi?
sir.
Do you understand it?
Sir?
Do you understand what I just did? I got the factor of 36. Do you understand
Yes,
it?
sir.
Okay. Now for 81, for the factors of 81. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So how do I do for 81? So I'll write 81. So starting from 1 and 81, isn't it? 2 does not divide 81.
Yes.
2 does not divide 81. So I move down to 3.
Yes.
3 divides 81
Yes, sir.
27 times.
27.
27 times. So
Yes.
after 3, the next number that divides 81 is 9. And that divides 81 in 9 times. So if I'm to write out the factors of 81, I'll be writing 1, 3, 9, 27, and what?
9.
And 81. So looking at it now, what are the common factors? Oluwalonimi, what are the common factors?
9.
Before 9 is 3.
1.
Yes, 1, 3,
3.
and what?
9.
And 9. So those are the common
9.
factors. So your common factors are 1, 3, and 9. So going for the highest, which one is the highest, Nimi?
9.
9. So 9 is the highest of the 3. So that's why they got 9. Was that how they taught you?
Not still the way.
Not still the way, okay? Actually, there are many ways to get your answer in mathematics, okay? So whichever way,
Okay.
just add it to the way. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
So find the first common multiple of 2, 3, and 5. The first common multiple of 2, 3, and 5. Now, 2, okay, I'm in question 1b2. This is 1b2. So the first common multiple of 2, 3, and 5. Now, we are not looking for factors. We are looking for multiples. Okay?
Yes.
So how do we do it? The multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8,
4,
10,
6.
12, 14, 16, 20, 22, 24. For 3 is 3, 6, 9, 12,
6, 9,
15,
15,
18, 21. Sorry, I'm rushing. It's because of the time. 24, 27, 30, and 36. Then for 5 is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 40, 45, 50. Sorry. 50, 55. Then we have 60. Mimi, do you get that?
Yes, sir.
So they are looking for the common factors. So we have,
Sir, you didn't
Now we
put
don't get it to
30.
30 and 35.
what do you say? What did they say?
Sir, I didn't hear you.
Me too, I didn't hear you. Guys, what do you say? I didn't hear you. I can't hear you.
Sir,
Sir,
we don't understand. You
though.
didn't put 30
Don't
and
put
35.
30 and 35, sir.
How I
Sir,
got
I can hear us.
how I got 30 and 35?
Like there's no 30 and
It's not
35.
there, sir.
35.
30 and 35.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Oh, that's true. I've joined. Thank you for taking note of that.
Okay, now.
Okay.
Thank you for taking note of that. So
Yes.
we have 30, 35. Actually, this method that we are using itself, we can use it to get the answer. Actually, this should not be the method to get the answer, because with the structure of the question, I think we have to use the long division method. Okay? We have to use this method. So you have 2, this 2, you have 3, this 3, you have 5, and this is 5. Okay? With this method, we may not be able to use it with this kind of arrangement we are using. So now let's use prime factors. Okay? Let's just use prime factors. So the first prime factors we are using is true. Now this time around, you don't necessarily need to look for the numbers that divide all the 3. Once you can just see a number that divides maybe 2, 2 is part of it, you can use 2. Once you see a number that can divide 3, you can use the number. Once you see a number that can divide 5, you can use the number. So now let's use 2. 2 in 2 is what? Is 1, right? 2 in 3, 2 does not divide 3.
Yeah.
You repeat.
Yes.
2 in
Yes.
5 is not divisible. You repeat 5. Now that is LCM for you. That's LCM. Okay? That is not HCF. Now
Yes, sir.
you go again and you use what? You use your 3. Because 3 is the, let me say, the next number here. So this one has become 1. It will still remain 1. Now 3 in 3 will be 1. And 3 in 5 will remain
Yes.
5 because it does not divide 5. Then you move ahead and you use 5 this time around. Then that's going to be 1, 1, and 1. So that is why LCM will always become 1, 1, 1. Do you understand? LCM will always become what? Will always become 1.
Yes, sir.
So now the LCM
Ah,
is equal to 2 times 3 times 5. Okay? And that's what our answer is what?
yes, sir. 6.
What do you say?
6.
Is it 6?
No, sir.
Our answer is 30.
2 times 3.
Our answer is 30. Actually, if we have moved this one further, we'll have gotten 26, 28, and 30. And mind you, you have 30 here, you have 30 here, and you also have 30 here. So that makes it the least or the first common multiple of 2, 5, and 3. We just have 2 minutes to go. And this 2187 in index form, that's question 2.
Yes.
Question 2 says
Yes.
express
2, 1, 7.
2187 in index form. So it's just like the normal way of 2187. Let's say we have less than 2 minutes. Okay, that number looks like the number that can be divided by 3. It can't be divided by 2. So let's quickly see it. It cannot be divided. 81. If it divide 87, no. No. It cannot be divided by 3. It can't. In 218 and 7. No, it can't be divided by 3. So what do we do? 27. We have less than 1 minute. I'm not sure we can achieve this. But in a way, I think we have learned. Hello, guys. I think we have learned
Yes, sir.
something today.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
I think we have learned something today.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So the
Yes, sir.
video is being recorded. I won't be able to do 2 hours
Yes, sir.
today, please. I won't be able to do 2 hours. I will have done it, or should I just do it? My battery is not charged, so I can't guarantee. I have a class by 11 and okay, let's try another 1 hour. Let's see how it works, okay? Let's try another 1 hour. Let's see how it works. So we're going to be starting from question 2. So prepare for it. So you can log out now and we'll come back again in the next 8 minutes. In the next 8 minutes. 8 minutes. Are you sure that question is correct? Please check very well.